So just a little bit on what the CCR5 delta 32 looks like. We know from a number of studies that that the CCR5 delta 32 mutation produces a truncated form of CCR5, which is just shown here. And in fact, cells, this truncated form never properly makes it to the cell surface, and so in fact, the cells are essentially denuded of the CCR5 co-receptor, and individuals who are homozygous for this allele are highly resistant to HIV-1 infection. So, for example, subjects who received blood transfusions from HIV-positive donors remained uninfected if they happened to be lucky enough to have this CCR5 delta 32 homozygous status. In the Timothy Brown case, what happened is that the donor that was used to provide the cells was such a CCR5 delta 32 homozygous donor, and so when those cells were repopulated, when they transplanted into Timothy and repopulated in the bone marrow and gave rise to the rest of the immune system, the CD4 T cells, amongst other cells, were obviously also CCR5 delta 32 homozygous and therefore were uninfectable. So essentially, transplanting HIV immunity into his immune system.